Welcome everyone. Here we discuss about preparation of alkanes. Please see the description. There are the link for my other two YouTube channels. My other YouTube channels are Chemistry Q and A for multiple choice question and answer in chemistry, and chemistry class in Bengali for chemistry in Bengali. There are also links for my website www.elementalchemistry.in, my three Facebook pages, my Instagram account, and my Pinterest account. Now see the first method for the preparation of alkane from unsaturated hydrocarbon by hydrogenation. When hydrogen is added to an unsaturated hydrocarbon such as alkene or alkyne in the presence of a suitable catalyst are nickel, platinum, palladium, Re-nickel, etc. Alkane is obtained. This process is called hydrogenation. See here we take an alkene RCH double bond CHR. This alkene reacts with hydrogen in the presence of a catalyst platinum or palladium or nickel or Re-nickel and produce alkane RCH2 single bond CH2R. Now we take the propene as an alkene CH3 CH double bond CH2. Propene reacts with hydrogen in the presence of platinum, palladium, nickel or Re-nickel and produce propane CH3 CH2 CH3. Propane is an alkane, propene is an alkene and propane is an alkane. Here we produce alkane from alkene. Now see the process for the formation of alkane from alkyne. RC triple bond Cr. This is an alkyne. Alkyne reacts with two molecules of hydrogen in the presence of catalyst such as platinum, palladium, nickel or Re-nickel and produce alkane RCH2 single bond CH2R. Now here we take propine as an alkene, propine as an alkyne CH3 single bond C triple bond CH. Propine reacts with two molecules of hydrogen in the presence of catalyst such as platinum or palladium or nickel or Re-nickel and produce propane CH3 single bond CH2 single bond CH3. By this process we make or produce alkane from alkene or alkyne, that is from unsaturated hydrocarbon. Now see the second method for the preparation of alkane, Wurtz reaction. The reaction of two molecules of alkyl halide, Rx is the alkyl halide, dissolved in dry ether solution with two molecules of pure and dry metallic sodium at normal temperature produce alkane. See here Rx is the alkyl halide. This is one molecule of Rx and this is another molecule of Rx. This is the two molecules of metallic sodium. This reaction produce R single bond R, that is R single bond R is the alkane, and this produce the 2NaX. By this Wurtz reaction we produce both symmetrical alkane and unsymmetrical alkane. Symmetrical alkane is that alkane that we can divide into two similar parts. Butane is a symmetrical alkane. We divide butane into two parts, CH3CH2 and another part of CH3CH2. But in case of unsymmetrical alkane, we can't divide the alkane into two similar halves. Propane is an unsymmetrical alkane. We can't divide the propane into two similar halves. Now see the preparation of symmetrical alkane. For the preparation of symmetrical alkane, we take similar type of two molecules of alkyl halide. Here we take methyl bromide, two molecules of methyl bromide, CH3Br is the methyl bromide. This is the one molecule of methyl bromide and this is the another molecule of methyl bromide and this is the two molecules of sodium. This reaction produce ethane. Ethane is a symmetrical alkane. And for the preparation of unsymmetrical alkane, we take two different type of alkyl halide. Here we take one molecule of methyl bromide and another molecule of ethyl bromide, C2H5Br, or we can write it CH3CH2Br. This reaction produce propane, CH3C2H5 or CH3CH2CH3. Propane is an unsymmetrical alkane. So by Wood reaction we produce both symmetrical alkane and unsymmetrical alkane. For the preparation of symmetrical alkane, we take two molecules of same type of alkyl halide, and for the preparation of unsymmetrical alkane, we take two different types of alkyl halide. Now see the third method for the preparation of alkane, Core house synthesis. Alkyl lithium is formed by the reaction of alkyl halide dissolved in dry ether solution with pure and dry metallic lithium at normal temperature. See here, Rx is the alkyl halide. It reacts with lithium and produce alkyl lithium. Rli is the alkyl lithium. Adding cuprous iodide to this alkyl lithium produce lithium dialkyl cuprate. See, Rli is the alkyl lithium. It reacts with cuprous iodide and produce lithium dialkyl cuprate. R2CuLi is the lithium dialkyl cuprate. Alkane is produced by adding alkyl halide again with lithium dialkyl cuprate. R2CuLi is the lithium dialkyl cuprate. It again reacts with another molecule of alkyl halide. R dot X is the another molecule of alkyl halide and produce R dash. R dash is the alkane. Here R and R dash may be same or different, and R group may be primary, secondary or tertiary, but R dash group always primary. This R dash group always primary. This R group may be primary, secondary or tertiary. Now see one example. Here we take ethyl iodide as an alkyl halide. Ethyl iodide as an alkyl halide. It reacts with lithium and produce ethyl lithium. C2H5Li is the ethyl lithium. This ethyl lithium again reacts with cuprous iodide and produce lithium diethyl cuprate. C2H5 CuLi is the lithium diethyl cuprate. This lithium diethyl cuprate again reacts with another molecule of alkyl halide. Here we take methyl iodide as another molecule of alkyl halide and produce propane, C2H5CH3, or you write as CH3CH2CH3. Here propane is produced as an alkane. By this process we produce propane or alkane. Another method for the preparation of alkane is the reduction of alkyl halide. Alkane is prepared by the reduction of alkyl halide by zinc HCl or zinc acetic acid or zinc NaOH or zinc copper couple and alcohol. See here, Rx is the alkyl. If we reduce this alkyl by zinc HCl in the presence of alcohol, here we take ethanol as an alcohol, produce RH. RH is the alkane. Here we take ethyl halide as an alkyl halide. If we reduce this alkyl halide by ZnHCl in the presence of ethanol, it produces ethane. C2H6 is the ethane. Ethane is an alkane. Again, we reduce the alkyl halide in the presence of LiAlH4 or NaBH4. Alkane is also produced. Rx is the alkyl halide. If we reduce this alkyl halide by LiAlH4, RH means alkane is produced. Here we take propyl bromide as an alkyl halide. If we reduce this propyl bromide by LiAlH4, propane CH3CH2CH3 is produced. By this way, we produce alkane by reduction of alkyl halide by ZnHCl, Zn acetic acid, ZnNaOH, Zn copper couple in the presence of alcohol, or by LiAlH4 or by NaBH4. See the another method for the preparation of alkane, reaction of alcohol. When alcohol is reduced by red phosphorus and hydroiodic acid in a closed vessel at 150 degrees centigrade, alkane is produced. ROH is the alcohol. If we reduce this alcohol in the presence of hydroiodic acid, HI is the hydroiodic acid, and in presence of red phosphorus at 150 degrees centigrade in a closed vessel, RH means alkane is produced. Here we take propanol as an alcohol. CH3CH2CH2OH is a propanol. Propanol is an alcohol. If we reduce this propanol in presence of hydroiodic acid, red phosphorus in a closed vessel at 150 degrees centigrade, propane is produced. CH3CH2CH3 is a propane. Propane is an alkane. Propane is produced. By this way, we prepare alkane by reduction of alcohol. Now see the preparation of alkane by reduction of carbonyl compound. This is the Clemenson reaction. When carbonyl compound, that is aldehyde or ketones, are heated with zinc amalgam, that is ZnHg, and concentrated HCl, carbonyl compound reduced to form alkane. First see the reduction of aldehyde, RCOH. Here H means this is the aldehyde. When this aldehyde heated with zinc amalgam in the presence of concentrated hydrochloric acid, alkane is produced. This CO transferred to CH2, RCH3. This is the alkane. Here we take propanol as an aldehyde, C2H5, CHO is the propanol. When this propanol reduced by zinc amalgam in the presence of concentrated HCl, propane is produced. C2H5, CH3 is the propane. Now see the reduction of ketone, RCO R-. This is the ketone. Here R- means this is the ketone. When this ketone reduced by zinc amalgam in the presence of concentrated HCl, RCH2 R- means alkane is produced. This CO transferred to CH2. Here we take butanone as an ketone. C2H5COCH3 is a butanone. When this butanone reduced by zinc Hg means zinc amalgam in the presence of concentrated HCl, butane is produced. C2H5CH2CH3. By this Clemmenson reaction, we prepare alkane from aldehyde or from ketone. Now see another method for the preparation of alcohol by reaction of carbonyl compound. Here Wolff-Kishner reaction. Carbonyl compound, that is aldehyde and ketones, react with hydrazine N2H4 or NH2 single bond NH2. This carbonyl compound reacts with hydrazine to produce hydrazone. See here, this is the ketone C2H5COCH3. This is the ketone. It reacts with hydrazine NH2 single bond NH2 and produce hydrazone. Here O is replaced and N-NH2 group is introduced. C2H5 C double bond N-NH2 CH3. This is the hydrazone. When the resulting hydrazone is heated with sodium ethoxide NaOET or NaOC2H5 and ethylene glycol CH2OH CH2OH. This is the ethylene glycol CH2OH CH2OH. At 180 degrees centigrade, the compound reduced to form alkane. This hydrazone react with sodium ethoxide. This is the sodium ethoxide. This is the ethylene glycol. At 180 degrees centigrade, alkane is produced. C2H5CH2CH3 is the alkane. Here we take butanone as an ketone and we produce butane as an alkane. By this Wolff-Kishner reaction, we produce alkane from carbonyl compound. Now see the preparation of alkane from alkyl borane. Reaction of alkene with borane produce trialkyl borane. This is the alkene RCH double bond CH2. This reacts with B2H6 and produce trialkyl borane RCH2 CH2 whole 3B. Alkane is produced by hydrolysis of the resulting trialkyl borane with acid. When this trialkyl borane hydrolyzed by acid, it produces alkane 3RCH2CH3. By this process, we prepare alkane from alkene. First we prepare alkyl borane and then hydrolyze the alkyl borane. We produce alkane. Now see the preparation of alkane from carboxylic acid by decarboxylation. Alkane is produced when carboxylic acid is heated with soda lime. NaOH plus CaO is the soda lime. In this process, CO2 is removed, so it is called a decarboxylation reaction. RCOOH is the carboxylic acid. When this carboxylic acid is heated with soda lime, RH means alkane is produced and CO2 is removed. Here we take butanoic acid CH3CH2CH2COOH is the butanoic acid. When this butanoic acid heated with soda lime, propane is produced and CO2 is removed. See here we take 4 carbon carboxylic acid, but we found or we produce 3 carbon alkane. This is the 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon, 4 carbon carboxylic acid, that is butanoic acid, and we produce 3 carbon alkane. 1 carbon, 2 carbon, 3 carbon. This is the propane, 3 carbon alkane. This is a degradation reaction because in this process the number of carbon atom in the produced alkane is 1 less than that of the carboxylic acid used. Here we use 4 carbon carboxylic acid and we produce 3 carbon alkane. This is the degradation reaction. Now see the method for the preparation of alkane by coal-based electrolytic method. Electrolysis of a concentrated and cool aqueous solution of sodium or potassium salts of monocarboxylic acid using platinum electrodes produce alkane at the anode. Here we take 2 molecules of potassium salt of monocarboxylic acid, 2 are COOK. By electrolysis it produces alkane. R, single bond R is the alkane. Here we take ethanoic acid as an monocarboxylic acid. We take 2 molecules of ethanoic acid. After electrolysis it produces ethane at the anode. Coal-based method of electrolysis is suitable for the preparation of even number of carbon atom alkane, that is symmetrical alkane, but not suitable for the preparation of odd number of carbon atom alkane, that is unsymmetrical alkane. Thank you.